Hi guys, welcome back to channel. On this section we are going to discuss how to apply New Zealand visa. New Zealand visa, first we have to do online lodgement. For that we are using this website. You can see here immigration.gov government.nz. That is the official site. We have to do online application. Once online application done, and sometime we have to do the passport submission in VFS. That is case to case application. Sometimes we don't need to do any further. So as per the embassy, let us know once we've done the submission what we have to do the next. Are you watching my channel first time? Please subscribe. From here we have to answer some of the questions. You can see here, check if we need a visa or New Zealand ETA. ETA is electronic travel authorization. Some certain nationality we can apply ETA instead of visa. Unfortunately for Indians, we have to apply ordinary visa. From here, answer some of the questions. I want to visit New Zealand. I don't have Australian permanent residency. Okay, passport from other country. And you can see here, visitor visa we have to apply. We are not eligible for e-visa. And here select nationality as per the passport and main reason of visit. Mention here holiday and mention no. Length of stay up to 3 months. Now you can see here, these are the visa type of visa we can apply as per the answer. Here select visitor visa, and this is the conditions and document requirement. Everything you can get from here. This is a visa detail, length of stay 6 months or 9 months, and visa fee is 441 New Zealand dollar. That amount we need to make by online. And this is the conditions who can apply visa, documents you need. These are the documents, and you have to arrange documents as per what actually your purpose. So once you enter all details, then system will be customized what actually they need as per your purpose of visit. So that you only come to know uh, once you reach the page for documents uploading. I can see here we can apply the visa. We have to create a login ID, and you can easily create a login ID with your email ID. This account is called Realme, and here we have to select apply for a visa. Click on apply for a visa, and we have to answer some certain questions. From here select temporary visa, that is mainly for tourism purpose. Are you outside of New Zealand? Yes. What type of visa do you want to apply for? Select from here visitor. And are you citizen, permanent resident of Australia or citizen of visa waiver country? No. Select purpose, tourism or holiday. And what do you want to visit in New Zealand? They are again asking one more questions. So I am coming for holiday or vacation. And start my application. Identity detail is the first section. So from here we have to mention our personal detail like your name, passport number, email ID, nationality, contact number, residential address. So everything we have to mention here. For the application reference, I'm just mentioning here random information. So when you're filling your application, make sure all documents as per your passport. And this section, immigration history, you have to mention as per your details. So I'm just keeping here everything no, and here passport details and nationality, country of territorial issue, date of issue and date of expiry. And second section is purpose of visit. Here we have to select, we have to mention some of the detail like I'm coming for holiday or vacations. Are you able to financial support? Yes. Do you have a New Zealand person or New Zealand organization sponsoring your stay? So no. Do you have prepaid accommodation? So you can keep yes, and you have to mention your order details, or else you just keep no. And do you have at least New Zealand dollar 1000 New Zealand dollar available in each person each month? Yes, I have evidence. I have sufficient fund to purchase travel. Just select that option, and they will ask you our estimated date of entry and date of estimated arrival and date of estimated departure. So you have to mention when actually you are planning to travel. And third section is character, and here security question mainly. So by default, all the answer will be no. Just keep here no, no, and save and continue. Now we will reach on fourth section, that is health, and here we have to mention any health issues, health history. You have to mention here. So answer this all these questions. By default, most of this answer will be no. Mention no, all the things, and they will ask you length of stay. Okay, New Zealand, did you plan? So your intended length of stay help us determine if you need a medical examination. So select the length of stay from there. And for fifth section, employment history, and here we have to mention what is your current role and when you started, company name, address, contact number, email ID, and what type of role you are doing. Everything you have to select from here. Next section, we have to mention our relationship status, either single or married. If you are mentioning married, then we have to mention spouse detail also. After that, we will reach the section for supporting documents. From here we have to upload all documents as per the your purpose of visit. You can see here, are all the documents you intended to upload is English? Mention yes. And if it's no, then you have to upload the translation copy also. A translation copy you have to notarize, that is more valuable. And here you have to upload all documents as per passport, Aadhaar card copy, photo, bank statement, company lease sanction letter, any other document related to your purpose of visit, travel itinerary like hotel ticket reservation and tour itinerary, and you can attach any other visa copy you have to prove them you are you are a genuine tourist. So those things you can upload. And you can see here, provide detail of the other evidence. If you select that section, you can see there are plenty of supporting documents they mention here. So you have to select what actually you need to explain. That's that document you have to select and you have to upload. So I just upload all document just for dummy. So we have to upload PDF format. So you can see here, this is other evidence. For anything more you need to explain, so you have to select from here and you have to upload. Now we reach review and declaration. From here you have to cross verify all details which you fill. Any amendment you have to do from here, and we have to submit application online. Once submission is completed, you cannot do any other changes. So that is very important. And after that we can able to make the payment. 441 New Zealand dollar is visa fee. After the payment, we can download this application and we will get the payment receipt also. And the bottom of this application, they will let us know what actually you have to do. If you need to submit your passport, then you have to book the appointment. If they need your original passport for further processing, they will email you and they will also notify here in this portal. Then you have to do the appointment for passport submission in VFS. Hope you guys understand about New Zealand visa application. Any question, any doubt, you can put on comment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you another session. Thank you.